Greetings, fellow maker. This video is part of an awesome collaboration with the Draw with Jazza channel. The art and animation that Jazza creates is really cool, and his videos show you his whole process. One of Jazza's segments is called VRtistry, where he experiments with art in virtual reality and takes you along on that journey. Normally, Jazza has a green screen set up and transports himself in normal clothes into a virtual background. What if instead Jazza had a costume that fits in with the idea of virtual reality? And what if Jazza made it himself? This costume design is great, and we have the privilege to turn this concept into a reality. Make sure you check out his video on the design process. I'll link it up here and down in the video description. We're just so excited to bring this costume to life and share the process with you. This is part 1 of the costume build, where we foam fabricate all the armor pieces. Roll that beautiful foam footage. Thank you for watching this costume transform from concept to reality. Stay tuned for the second part of the build where we paint the armor, add all the strap attachments, and install some really cool lighting. All the tools and materials we used for this build are linked down in the description, as well as the link to Jazza's design video. While you're at it, subscribe to Jazza's channel. His videos are so much fun. If you've come from Jazza's channel, welcome to Punished Props Academy. You probably noticed some similarities with the tools that Jazza uses to create art and the tools we use to create costumes. Once you realize the concepts are the same, all that's left is practice. Lots and lots of practice. If you like watching prop and costume making, or better yet, are interested in making your own, we have lots of video tutorials on our channel, as well as more information over on our website, like our Foamsmith books. The first book covers foam armor making, which I referenced while making this costume. Now I've got to go paint all these armor pieces, so I'll see you in the next video.